Bright Suns travelers, welcome.
Right this way. Take some strong. Right here. Right next to us.
Welcome, Bright Suns. Good.
Keep your credentials right at this table right here.
Excited? So excited. So excited. We'll go with that. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Hi there. Welcome. Welcome, Bright Suns, everyone. Bright Suns, how are we feeling?
Good. Very good.
Oh, very good. We'll take very good indeed. I know it's a lot to be here, so thank you. Welcome. Hello there, everyone. Emotions. Very excited. Nick. Hello there. Welcome everyone to the workshop. I know it's a little, well, it's a lot. But to us, it is everything. I see you've already met Doriana, Jordan, Jacqueline, and Rachel. Now, I know all of this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Now, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. It's our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. Now, I'm assuming we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker.
Yes.
Yes. Well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey. Rey, that's right. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that's why you're all here. So look ahead to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them both. Today you will feel that connection. But enough of me talking. Let us begin. We'll begin perhaps with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to amplify it. Many say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may all know this from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history. Blue, for example, will emit a blue blade, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many it is called the color of power. It's also the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. Now picture it. Hold it in your minds. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? Now in your mind, select your crystal and know it is equally likely that the crystal is selecting you. Everyone open your eyes. and take your kyber crystal. Excellent work, everyone. We've selected our crystal. Go ahead and place it in the green crystal holders that you see in front of you there. Very good. Excellent. In a few moments, we will be pairing the crystal with the saber hilt you will have designed. Now, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control. It's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated. Now, the gatherers, as you can see, are preparing your boxes of the saber designs that you have previously chosen. As you can see in front of you there, we have the various parts. You have the chassis, the activation plates, the grip, emitter, and pommel. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose the individual components of your lightsaber, you will now choose those components to build. We are here to assist you if you require any help. But everyone, it's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time. Let's build.
Right, and I'll be helping you name the gatherer. So first, we'll very first start off with our chassis. Make sure the smoke lights are pointing upward. You're going to take your kyber crystal and put it in the center of the chassis. What I find the easiest is putting the bottom in first, and then pushing in the top, and you'll see. You want to make sure your kyber crystal is secure inside. Just some room so that you'll be able to put your kyber crystal in. And you should hear a beautiful song from your throat and see the magic. If anyone needs help, let me know. I know your little finicky. Perfect. Does anybody not hear that?
Just like that, you can give it a twirl.
Now you'll see on your chassis are blue and red lines. You're going to pick one set of activator plates, and on the back, you're going to match blue with blue and red with red. So just like I'm doing, so red right there, and then blue right here. It is at number 5. For those activator plates. Match the blue line with the blue line, red with red. Wonderful. And everyone has used one of the cells.
Perfect. So that blue with that blue right there, and then match up together. Awesome.
Beautiful. All right. Good. Perfect. And everyone spin their cards.
You can choose 2 of the 4 bricks. Take them and notice the bigger side that has some big blue make it with. Or blue on the top. You're going to put that towards the activator blue.
Thank you. You will see
And then see with the others, the bigger goes towards those activator
that will
blocks.
match up with the squares inside of your hill. On your right. So once you match those red and blue squares on your activator,
Alright, once you choose 2 bricks and then choose your emitter that goes on top of the blade. Wonderful. Just twist it right on one of the 2. And then lastly, you'll have your end cap. You can just twist one of those right at the bottom. And then when you're done, place your lightsaber right on the edge of the board.
perfect. Everyone has their hands Wonderful. Now that we have done that, we will move on to your bricks. You can choose any 2 of the 4 in slots 1 and 2. Mix and match however you please. 1 on each side, and you will put the bigger red blue first. Twist until it is secure. Perfect.
I'll be guiding, I see.
For a minute, the blade will come out. Yeah. The rain cords there.
Any 2 or you will twist until they're secure.
Are you satisfied with your build?
Wonderful. Once we have chosen our bricks, we'll move on to our emitter. Our emitter is what holds the blade. That's the very top.
Are you satisfied with your build?
Finish on with our pommel cap.
particularly interesting piece.
The Yoshi one is
Very difficult to proclaim.
There's a bit, actual batch from Tatooine, I believe. We procured them from Tatooine.
Yes, that's right. Dawn slash the stars from that one. Yeah, it's a little dangerous, but I think it looks fantastic. Very well. Excellent. And over here as well. Impressive indeed. The ancient design. Let's see.
Yes.
Now you see these small rooms here.
Yes.
Yeah. You know what these say?
No, what does it say?
We have no idea either. No idea at all. Yeah. Maybe that could be your first quest, your first
Maybe
adventure.
find out what they say.
Find out what they say. That might be a start. Ancient designs.
Are you satisfied with your health?
It's very much very much sturdy, strong.
So these carvings use in the language that we do not know. So we use the ancients to know really what that says. But it's a very ancient language. We do not know.
For one, I imagine it's Well, everyone, some magnificent work so far. I see Emmett here. Emmett was telling me how he selected the Rancor tooth there, a very impressive design. But impressive designs from everyone. I can see there a strong design here from my friend in front of me. Strong design, definitely a lightsaber of power.
The pommel cap is very actually finalized that lightsaber.
That's right. The stage is well, it's very much an important one, and I like the design here as well. So it's nice. How are you feeling about the build? Very good. Yeah. Anything that you were thinking during the build? Any preconceived ideas that you had? Allow the force to flow through you. Very good indeed. That's the best. Excellent work. Very good, everyone. Some impressive work indeed. Well, everyone, we have completed our hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened because, well, why would it? It is now time, however, for the most dangerous part of the build. Stabilizing the kyber crystals for activation. Now, builders, please leave your completed hilts at your stations and step back. Everyone step back, please. Gatherers, if you will. Now, this stage is indeed a dangerous one. The powerful kyber crystals can be volatile if not handled correctly. You probably see this from some of our, let's call them decorative holes we have in the ceiling. They were actually from some of our red kyber crystals that we use, extremely powerful. Anyone use a red kyber crystal? Ah, very good. Very good. Excellent. We'll take extra care of that one. Very good, gatherers. Excellent work. Now, well, we've stabilized the crystals. It's time to.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. Our final stage is almost upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes? Then it is time. Now, on my signal, you'll all step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and together we will activate. Builders, step forward and activate. Builders, You have built a lightsaber. Go ahead and raise them in the air. You have all built lightsabers, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good, everyone. Lower them down.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
And also with you. Thank you, Master Yoda. Our time is indeed at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Now, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your lightsabers, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath that you can collect as you leave the workshop. Now remember, you are all as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. But who knows? Perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.